My name is Louis Michot, and I'm gonna show y'all how to cook a gumbo using some Francais Louisiana. We start with a cut up hen. Put a little oil in my pan, some smoked paprika, put the skin side down. Right here we have tasso, smoked sausage. Do some turkey tasso, le tasso d'Inde. Stir that around a little bit. And it's always good to make sure you enjoy yourself while you're cooking a gumbo. And the next part is the Trinity. We're gonna add a little more bone broth in there, chicken broth. The next thing we're gonna add is the roux. Us Cajuns like to do things easy and help each other out. There is companies here in Acadiana that make jarred roux. The last thing we're gonna add is bay leaf. While we're waiting for that, we're gonna go ahead and prepare the finishings, les finitions. And the last thing we're gonna do is make some rice. And then you have to let it cool right here. So it's almost like 4 or 5 hours to cook it, and then a few more hours for it to cool down. On va mettre les oignons verts, le persil, le filet, et là, ça serait le temps de manger. Time to eat.